Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we are dedicated to giving you inspirational stories and life-changing learnings. Do you feel that your life is full of difficulties? Are you looking for true happiness and peace? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Today we are going to tell you such an inspirational story of Lord Gautam Buddha, which can give a new direction to your life. This story will tell you how we can find peace and stability within ourselves and understand the true importance of life. So watch the video till the end, and if you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because your little support inspires us to make even more great inspirational videos. So let's start today's amazing story without any delay. One day, a sad person came to Gautam Buddha. He was very upset and said, "Lord, my life is full of sorrows. I am always upset. Please tell me what is the right way to live life?" The Buddha smiles and slowly stands up. The Buddha picks up a dry leaf and shows it to the man. "Look at this leaf. It has been separated from the tree, so now it will keep flying around with the gusts of wind until it returns to the soil." The man looks at the leaf carefully. Then the Buddha shows a green leaf which is attached to the branch of the tree. The Buddha says again, "Now look at this green leaf. It is attached to the tree, so it neither flies nor withers. It will remain green as long as it is attached to the tree." The man looks at the Buddha in surprise and asks, "Lord, what does this have to do with my life?" The Buddha answers with a light smile, "Human life is also like this. As long as you remain connected to your origin with truth, love, and compassion, then there is stability in life. But when you get carried away by anger, greed, and ego, your life becomes like a dry leaf, which keeps wandering here and there in the storms of the circumstances." Understanding is reflected in the eyes of the person. He bows down at the feet of Buddha, and he says, "Lord, now I understand that true happiness and peace is within us. From now on, I will follow the path of compassion and love." Friends, from this story we learn that to get peace and stability in life, we should follow the path of compassion, love, and truth. To avoid suffering, we have to connect with our inner self, not with external things. If you like this story, then like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.